In this video, I show you how to fix call management has a stopped problem on Android phone. For fixing this problem, go to settings, then go to apps, then go to see all apps. Now click on three dot. Now click on show system app. Now search for phone app. Click on phone. Now click on phone. Click on force stop. Click on OK. Now click on storage and cache. Clear the storage. Then delete. Now search for call management. Also phone call on your phone settings. In my case, I have phone calls. If your phone settings have call management, then click on it. Force stop. OK. Now click on storage and cache. Clear cache. Then clear storage. Then delete. Now restart your phone. After restart your phone, now I hope that this method fix call management has stopped problem on Android. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe.